You're getting somewhere. You know what's really nice? That's nice and flush. Nice good old gap through and through. It's a little tight on the back, on the bottom, but the door can let me drop the hinge down just a little bit. Let this sit like this for a minute. Well, even the body lines line up nice. Got it tack welded in a couple spots so it ain't gonna move nowhere. Tack welded all the way to the top. Got like a couple tack welds on the inside. So that clamps on it. Shuts. On this side now I just gotta weld all the way around, I guess. And did get that nice and tight now too. I guess I gotta go do real work now. Probably put this wheel back on here. Take this back outside for a little bit. Yes, sir. I only got one side all the way welded up. Just need to grind my welds down. Fix a couple little dents. Fix that dent. And this side will be done. Look at that body line though. She definitely got some dents on her, but she ain't going nowhere. Smooth criminal. Definitely has a nice roundiness to it, so I think I need to take still a little sharpness to it. Still need to do underneath the very bottom. I actually did miss a couple spot welds. You did, man, one thing at a time. It tilted it up a little bit, but I think this is what I'm gonna do. Duckbill? Maybe mold one. I don't know.